Trading is annoying, overwhelming, and it can piss you off when you lose your money. And trust me, most people who won at the beginning lost at the end. And the reason why is because we're not professional. And even if you are professional at one of the strategies, I bet you're not professional at all 10 of these strategies. And that's why this Chrome extension is going to literally change the way you trade. You click on it. Click on the multi-strategy button, select all of the strategies, yes, all 10 strategies, and then click on analyze. What it's going to do for you is something that you wish you could have. Imagine you could have Wyckoff sitting next to you and Kimoko Cloud and harmonic patterns and market structure analyst and all of these different Elliott wave theory and all these different strategies all next to you right now, sitting 10 different trading strategies telling you, listen, this is what you should do right now. Imagine you had 10 of those people sitting next to you. Now, as you can see right now, what you're seeing is 10 of the strategies, like a football game, literally, getting scored over here. Each one is getting a score. Every time one of them says short, so you get a score. And soon you're going to see the final outcome of all of the 10 strategies. Right now we have 5 saying short and 4 saying long, which is a bit crazy and annoying because what it means is that you should not enter this trade. This is a risky trade. Because let's say the Wyckoff said to do a short and the Elliott wave theory said to do a long. So what are you going to trust? Do you know what I mean? You can't say that the Elliott wave is always going to be right and the Wyckoff is sometimes going to be wrong. You don't know. You don't really know. And therefore, in my opinion, this trading Chrome extension should only be followed when all 9 or 10 strategies are saying the same thing. So as you can see, the price is kind of hitting the support area over here and it's kind of bouncing off it, and that's probably why there's a big disagreement between the two strategies. You can see it's a 5 and 5, which basically again means don't jump into this trade. So that's the bottom line on this. And now let's wait for the next video. Hopefully I'll be able to actually enter a trade. This is the second time that we've had 5 against 5, and basically I'm just gonna kind of wait on this one and not do anything until we get more confidence from all of the trading strategies. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.